Hi, my name is Jin, and today I'm going to show you how to create the Oracle database by using the database configuration assistant. Okay, so now I will have to open this tool on program. Click to database configuration assistant here. Okay, click the next button. So click to create a database, and also if you want to delete a database, you can click to option delete a database. Click to generate purpose and generation processing. So now you have to enter the new data name that for the database here. So in this case, I will enter the name in D element Z3, or you can enter any name here, like and edit by default, and click to next. So here you have to provide the password for some system account, and it it is the hide permission in the system database. So when you enter the password for them, so don't forget. Yeah. Leave it by default. Next, next, next. Okay, and wait until the creation is complete. Or maybe the creation is errors. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, so now I will open the SQL Plus to and try to connect it. And I hope great it will get the success. Okay, so just wait. Today dividend the three. Oh, if you get this message connected to blah blah blah, that means the creation database is successful. Okay, so now I will try to select from to this one here read to a table. Okay, so now I will go ahead to create a create a new table and then enter the value for them. Here, first two, that one. Okay, so now I will select all the data from that table. Okay, I type from this one. Okay, here. So that means you are able to create a new database and then create a new table into that database, and then you insert the new record into the created table. So okay, so that means for now you can do everything on the new table. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you guys, and let me know if you need any information. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.